Click the plus sign in the upper right corner.
Select Home Appliance type.
Select Reset Tool.
Select to add manually. Reset the air conditioner according to the tips on the page.
Remote controller with Wi-Fi button. Off states of remote controller. Press and hold mode and Wi-Fi buttons for 1 second. After hearing the first D sound, go to the next step. Remote controller without Wi-Fi button. Press and hold mode and turbo buttons for 10 seconds. When hearing the second D sound, enter Wi-Fi connection. The Wi-Fi is loading. Please wait for 2 minutes. When the loading is complete, click Next. Android, no need to enter the password. Click the Next. The Wi-Fi password will be entered automatically. To select Home Wi-Fi, please select 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. When the search for home appliance is successful, the menu network configuration is done. iOS. Click the Next to enter the Wi-Fi list of mobile. Find the Wi-Fi icon on the screen. Enter Wi-Fi password of air conditioner 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. When the search for home appliance is successful, the menu network configuration is done.